Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have another Pavoni, one of our most commonly worked on machines. And this one, like most of them, due to wear and tear, standard wear and tear, and time, just needed a tune-up, which was taking her apart and replacing gaskets and moving everything up. So let's run a shot so that everyone can see that she's working like a charm. Lifted the lever to let some water into the group head, building that pressure, and then we pull down, feel some resistance, and there you go. These Pavonis usually give us about a 1 ounce espresso shot. This is a 2 ounce cup, so it should fill up about halfway. As you can see, there's good crema, good color, nice stream. And there you have it. Pavonis are my favorite. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.